Okay, so now that we have our short-term and long-term goals, let's start to set up some game changers. So what I'm going to do is grab your paper and pen, and I'm going to ask you some questions to answer yes or no to. After you've answered yes or no, I will then give you a goal for that habit. Okay, so for example, let's start. Number 1, do you eat protein at every meal? Yes or no? If it's a no, then I want you to write beside it your goal is to eat more protein at every meal. Question 2, do you eat at least 5 servings of vegetables per day? If it's a yes, awesome. If it's a no, your goal is to eat 5 or more servings a day. Number 3, do you consume calorie-containing beverages such as soda pop, sweetened teas, coffee, or juices? Yes or no? If it's a yes, then your goal is to consume less sweetened beverages. This would also include sugar in your coffee or tea. Question number 4 is, do you eat more than 3 servings of refined grains, sugary foods, or processed foods in a day? Yes or no? Your goal would then be to eat 3 or less servings of refined grains in a day. Question 5 is, do you constantly feel full or stuffed after eating? Yes or no? If it's a no, that's amazing. If it's a yes, then your goal is to eat less at each meal. And question number 6 is, how long does it take you to eat a meal? Write that number down. If it's 10 or more minutes, circle that. For training, so under training, do you lead an active lifestyle? Yes or no? If it's a no, you want to increase your activity. And of course, you're doing the weight loss challenge, which you need to exercise 3 or more times at Orange Theory. So everyone gets a yes for that one. And for lifestyle, so do you consume more than 4 alcoholic beverages a week? Yes or no? If it's a yes, then you want to consume less than 4. For question number 2, do you get at least 7 hours of good sleep a night? Yes or no? Sometimes it's challenging, but your goal would be to have 7 or more hours. And finally, do you eat at restaurants or order takeout more than 3 times per week? So if the answer is yes, you want to order less than 3 times. So when looking at these goals that you've written down, I want you to give a number between 1 and 10, 1 being that it would be very hard to change this habit. 10 is it would be super easy to change this habit. So take a couple of minutes and go through those goals, listing 1 as hard and 10 as easy. Once you've completed that, I want you to star the numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10. So for the next 6 weeks, these are going to be the goals that you're going to be focusing on.